Welcome back to Enlightened Trading. My name is Conrad, and to cut the fucking crap, I'm in trading mode. So, I don't know what this video will be exactly. I just know that, well, I'm in a position, and you should maybe be too. I don't know. Depends on your trading style and if you are actually watching the damn markets or not. So, what do we have here? Okay, first of all, I will quite often look at my screen right here to my left hand side because, well, there are my positions on BitMax, and I will show you my positions on BitMax because there's also my email account, and I don't want you to, I just don't want to make it public, obviously. Okay, so what do we have here? We had a basic symmetrical triangle forming on the hourly, also a little bit on a 4 hour, but most clear on the hourly. We broke it just recently, this hour, I think. Yeah, this hour. Took out all resistance, at least here on Bitstamp. And well, after that, as it is in these markets, if you come up, you actually retrace a lot of the time and go back to retest your trend line, as we did right here. And why that is, well, in these markets, people know where to enter and exit positions. So upon break of resistance or support, positions will be entered, and after that, there's a lack of buyers or sellers. Depends if the price goes up, then people know, okay, at this certain level I will buy because there's a break of resistance. Well, after people know, or after the price broke resistance, people bought in, and there's no buyers left. So what do you do? Well, price comes back down because sellers kick in. And I just load this chart too. Sellers kick in because there's a lack of buyers. Price retraces. Buyers see, oh well, there's a retrace to the trend line where we recently broke out. There is quite, or there could be a buy wall, and so they buy in again. That is why price tends to retrace now compared to. I mean, I don't have. I wasn't around it at the time, but like decades ago, and I am reading this currently, and it seems very reasonable to assess this in this way, is that, well, people had no clue. People had no clue what they're doing and where price actually breaks out and why price breaks out, so they just bought in. And people kept buying, although price already broke a certain level. And yeah, just the lack of knowledge around placing stops. And since everyone has the internet now and can watch and trade on a technical basis, it's just very common to do that. And well, the majority of people will move the price. And if the majority of people place stops very carefully, then, well, that's how price will move. It's not bad, it's not good in my opinion, it's just the way it is. Yeah. So, compared to the other charts, I actually didn't look at them. This is interesting, what happened here. This most likely just was like a crash, or buy crash, sell crash, what do you want to call it? I don't care. Damn, yeah, you can see it on the 1 minute. It's just insane. Like, I don't know what this is on Coinbase. Interesting. Like 10% swing right here. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so whatever. Didn't look at this chart too closely. If we break this trend line, then we will have a major move, according, or according to this trend line, if it breaks, we will have a major move. Then we will come back down, or come back up to the 200, around the $200 mark, and maybe see a retrace. Then I will then most likely trade Ethereum. Whoa. Okay, Bitcoin just moved hard. Oh my god. Bitcoin moved hard. Damn, this might this might be the lowest Bitcoin will ever go. I mean, maybe really this is going to be it. Like, this could be the bottom. I mean, I don't know, and euphoric is kicking in, so you have to keep that in mind. But holy shit, this might be the best video I will make. I mean, and most likely people won't watch it, but I don't fucking care. Holy moly. This is what you want to look out for. I mean, and this doesn't mean too much yet. You can, of course, extend this right here, and this could still be in a bear flag. You want to keep that in mind. You want to definitely keep that in mind. This could retrace any moment. It depends on how far this price move goes. If this goes 5%, comes back up to this resistance right here, holds, and doesn't come back down, this could be the bottom. If this retraces right here, creates a fucking huge doji, and comes beyond to the 618, well, then it's not looking good. Yeah, you can have these moves, as you can see, and then more or less hold the price. Well, then come back down, and as you can see, it moved and then broke resistance, and it just collapsed. So this doesn't mean too much yet, and you have to keep that in mind. But this is nice. This is fucking trading environment. This is a very good trading environment. You want to have this volatility. You definitely want to. I'm just looking at my BitMEX chart. I also have I have music going in the background. Hope you don't mind. Hope you don't hear it too much. I'm just looking. Value, okay. Okay. You don't want to be short now. You definitely don't want to be short now. Maybe I'm calling this too soon. That could be. But being short now is more risky than being long. That's the case. And being short was very profitable. Very profitable at this time trend. Very. You can see right here. But now it's risky. I mean, you could also have viewed this, and I told this now many times on my channel. Bitcoin loves ascending triangles. It just loves ascending triangles. For reversal. I can't fucking say this word. Reversal patterns. God damn it. Okay, and yes, I'm swearing. I think people who swear are just more honest. That's in my opinion. I think there actually have been studies around that. Yeah. Where was I? Price is picking up in volume. That's nice. RSIs coming up to oversold on the 1 hour and on the 50 minutes. It most likely already is. Yeah, there it is around, like, oh gosh, what, 81. So depends on what the sentiment is. Yeah, I think it would be wise. We could look at maybe on Bitcoin pairing charts. Okay, let's see what's up. Yeah. I'm gonna use it daily. Okay, and you want this to dump. All of this you want to dump, basically. Oh, ID broke out, I think. Oh, interesting. And so my analysis was more or less correct. And what I come to realize is, once you get a certain feel for price action and for patterns, I didn't look at any indicators. I maybe use moving averages, but that's it. I don't find indicators too useful, at least for my analysis. I just look at price. It's just the raw information, I think, is the most important. Okay, looking at the weekly now. Okay, so what you want to have is for this to come back up, create a huge doji. And for that, it would go to 8,200. So that is from here almost a 10% retrace. That's big, but you want that. And maybe that could be done an inverse head and shoulders with a retrace to 7,700. If this is the bottom. If. 618 retracement, very important. Okay. And I don't know what Bitcoin knows about my personal life, but man, I want to. Last time Bitcoin went this or dumped hard was when I wanted to go work out, or when I wanted to work out, and well, price goes parabolic into or parabolic, parabolic to the downside, and just dumps hard. And I'm like, man, I want to go work out, but I can't. Okay, sellers coming in. New candle. Okay. Price slows down. It wants to consolidate. Price wants to consolidate. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. I mean, it's not much, but it's very nice in picking up in volume. Very nice. Okay, I'm just looking at the 1 minute chart. You can see how price slows down, tends to have more red candles, and actually quite larger ones. This one just engulfed the price candle. What is this line? This is this bear flag, right? Yeah. Okay. This could be an entry position or an entry area, mind. I won't, but this could be. Depends on what price does, of course. And now it very depends on what the sentiment is. If people think that, well, this is the breakout, or this is the that this is the breakout, And this could be a change in trend. Then people will buy dips. And it might doesn't sound much, but when people change from selling rallies and buying dips to buying dips, it basically means it's a bull market. Yeah, seems like it was at least in the short term a buy area. Man, I just called this on the bottom. Okay, dip. Sellers coming in. This could also be a lower high on 1 minute. It depends on how far this candle goes, or the next one. Basically, this move from this low, how far it goes. Okay, upswing again. Okay, yeah, nice. Okay, so an equilibrium is likely. I would say 60% chance, maybe even just straight follow through. Okay, there's some buyers coming in. And on BitMEX, it's actually more clear than on Bitstamp. Maybe we could look at this on Coinbase. I mean, I don't care now too much about. Well, I should actually wait a minute. Yep, apply begin. Okay. Okay, the median is coming up. So it will be interesting how price moves around that. Could be that we see a retrace. And yeah, an equilibrium is likely. I say 60% chance. Maybe 65. I mean on the 1 minute chart. But Bitcoin does what it wants to. Always. Okay. So what are we looking for? What areas of price? I think 7700 will be of important resistance. Maybe with 7850. Also the median, of course, which I just mentioned. The moving averages are far away from price. Far away. This is the hourly, actually. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, sellers coming in. Sellers coming in. Yeah. We now have a high, a low, a lower high. For an equilibrium, we would look for a higher low. Higher low would be around on BitMEX 70, 70, 80. 75, 780. 70, 80. Man, I can't talk. Okay, I go into for the 1 minute. I'll go on coin. But what the fuck is going on? What is this? What is this? Do you see this? Wait. Yeah, what the fuck is this? And my hair looks fucking tremendous. But what is going on? Wait. I switch to Coinbase. Okay, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, so 1 minute chart. So, excuse me. Yeah, lower high now would be nice. Around this area. Lower high, higher low. Man, on BitMEX it's more clear than here. That's interesting. Just so much volume. Yeah, a higher low around this area would be nice. For a bull flag, we could also come back down to 77, to 70 area. God damn it. Okay, that's interesting. This low high. Low would be... Okay. We kind of need buyers. Okay. For an equilibrium, we need buyers for an equilibrium. There are often times when price moves in an equilibrium, it breaks to the downside, creates a bull flag, and then just goes parabolic to the upside. You want to keep it in mind. Okay, sellers, yes, sellers just coming in. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. The depth chart on BitMEX. Actually, what I could do... Well, no, cannot. Okay. I thought I could pull up the BitMEX chart on blog and use it as a guest, so you didn't see my positions, but I then couldn't manage them on this side because it would be like that. Okay. We have buyers. The depth chart. Is it called depth? Depth. Like depth? No. Okay. I don't like that it retraced off this low. The more far away price is from the recent low, the better. The better for bullish continuation, of course. We could set a lower high on this area up to 7,600. Okay, and BitMEX is different around here to 11. Okay. I don't know how long I will make this video. Maybe I'll close it now, or basically now, like in the next 5 minutes. This could break down, come back down to 7,550, find support and retrace. If this collapses, this completely collapses and comes back down, and I could stop that, then this is not what I've been looking for. And flash crashes are possible, but I don't trade around flash crashes. They are unlikely. Okay, yeah, we have a lower high on a monopoly. Yeah. We will now come back down to support. And that would be, as you can see, no, on 75.80. And actually, I just packed my shit. I just packed my shit, and then I looked at the screen, and Bitcoin just moved. And I'm like, what are you gonna do? Like, I have to go around. Okay, like latest I have to go is 2 o'clock p.m. 2 p.m. Yeah. I just do a quick workout, but whatever. Okay, so well, do I have to cover anything else? Maybe we can look at the moving averages. I would love for someday to do this live and have people comment on my videos. That would just be awesome, man. Yeah, okay. To just vaguely demonstrate. Maybe that's true. By this. That. Okay, we have important resistance from here to here, basically. Maybe even down to here. But I do this for now for here. As you can see, the median, of course, doesn't have to do much. Price can move above the median, as you can see. Hold it and then come back down, or then hold it and go back up. I meant. Okay, price is now near our last lower high. And what you also want to look at is, and I go back to 1 minute for that, is open of new candles, because it's very important where the last candle closed. Also in 1 minute, also, and that means for that rule goes for basically every time frame. If we went up, we get a new candle, and it goes back up. We get a new candle, and then it's red, and it comes down, and the red candle engulfs the prior green candle, or white on my chart, and then gets another red candle. That's usually a continuation to the downside. Like opening of new candles can can be very important. And I don't know why, but I don't see Bitmax as an exchange to look at. I mean, maybe if I type in XBT USD. Oh. Okay. Well, there it is, I guess. Yep. That's the chart I'm looking at. Okay, maybe I should use this more. Well, that's interesting, and I will add this to my Bitmax. God damn it. If I use XRP XBT, XBT. Okay, is XRP LTC? So I mean LTC XBT cracking. Okay, interesting. Okay, this could be both like in a 1 minute chart. Yeah, just use this and add this to my XBT. Okay, kick this ad. how does this look in general? Okay, we have a breakout, I think. Oh, breakout of lower highs. Now important resistance is 3.5. Okay, this could go into a longer term consolidation. Okay, I'm looking at my... Oh, this trade fuck me. What is this? Yeah, this one tearing trade just fuck me. Okay. Oh yeah, we'll break it. Okay. Interesting. Okay, new candle. You can see this. New candle after the breakout. What happens? Goes above. Okay, so I think I'll wrap this up. How long is the video now going on? Half an hour, yeah. Okay, so what I also wanted to show you is like an insight into what I look for in price moves, how I trade price moves, how I evaluate them while they are going on. We have now a retrace to resistance. Important. I could go back into trade. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we broke. If this comes back down, retraces, then could be in some trouble. Yeah. So yeah, as I said, to give you an insight on how I evaluate price moves on the short term, and how I act while being in a trade. Okay. So I don't think I'll make a video until Sunday, and if Sunday, then late Sunday. I'm out and about. Yeah. Oh wait, no, that's actually not what I... Okay. So, yeah. I think that's it. And hope you have a nice weekend, of course. It's Friday. I will go to university. It's University of Applied Science, basically a school. But yeah, hope you have a nice weekend. Hope you are in Bitcoin currently. Hope you go along. Maybe you're actually trading alongside. And also, hope you got something out of this video. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. Maybe I'll say this in every video. Please subscribe, please. No, but really, hope you have a nice weekend. See you guys and girls, you people, back next time. Bye.